Alright, it's Terrace Tuesday and we're going to check out some terraces in Baja. Now there's a whole lot of erosion going on in this landscape, but we're going to start by checking out these two channels right here. I don't know if you guys see both the channels. This channel here is the most apparent, but this right here is also a massive channel. But first, let's study this one. Alright, we've got a nice triple step sequence. If this was a staircase, it'd be 3 steps to the top. Therefore, we can learn the past river widths, which is told by each of these banks. So let's get a little measurement from here to about here, 1.4 kilometers. Do a measurement from here to here, almost 2 kilometers. But when we go to the other channel, which is a little bit more shallow, but you can still see the bank edge of the channel. This was once the river bank on both sides. So now we're dealing with a channel that was once over 2 kilometers, about 2.4 kilometers. But what's up with this pattern all over the landscape? Well, that's actually a ripple formation. All of this is a ripple formation. And even this here. Right, so in this shot you see a decreasing river that decreased in 3 main steps. And then we see a ripple formation. Wavelength from crest to crest, 90 meters. And then now look at how wide this channel gets up here, very straight edge. And then all around it are these horizontal forms, which you can't help but to think they look exactly like a ripple formation. Okay, here's a good example of a river with a lot of step sequences. These ones have a little bit more of a meander to them, but you can tell by the vertical height of these banks that this was from a serious water current. And here you can see more detail of 2 water levels on this bank. Okay, so you see these darker spots? That's the good stuff. Zoom into there. And you'll find a bunch of mounds that have been sculpted out by fluvial action. This is the best way mounds form on the large scale and on the small scale. It's from streams running between them and removing all the other soil and only leaving behind the mounds.